Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of our Relocation Japa Matters. Right, this is Queen Chika's Lounge, and today we are going to be discussing Portugal. Portugal is the next destination because they have got a lot of opportunity for people who want to work, especially in the tech industry. Oh my goodness, they have a lot of opportunities available for people in IT and tech sector. Aside from that, their seasonal work is coming up and they are going to be needing a lot of people to work in the tourist section, hospitality industry. We are going to discuss that on another series of video for Portugal. But today we'll be focusing on these two companies that are employing with sponsorship into Portugal. There are two major companies that we'll be discussing today, and another website where you can get IT related jobs with visa sponsorship globally, not just in Portugal. Okay, so let's go. This company is called KWAN, as in KWAN, and of course it is located in Portugal. Now, the good thing about this company, aside from the fact that it offers a comprehensive relocation package, the good thing about them is that you don't have to speak Spanish to be able to work with them. You know that Spanish is the official language for Portugal, but to work with this company, they actually need you to be able to speak fluent English. So if you are in Africa and English is your first language, or English is your main language, you don't have to worry. You can work with this company. Now, KWAN is a tech company. They source for tech talent for their clients into Portugal, and they offer full relocation packages. We are going to see that very soon. Now, aside from KWAN, there's another company called Yellowipe. They are the two major companies that I have seen that are employing talent into Portugal with visa sponsorship. Now, to be able to see the full benefit of working with them, let's go to ITJobs. ITJobs is another major website where you can find jobs in the IT sector in Portugal and across the globe. Okay, so this is one of the job listings from KWAN, technical support KWAN. So let's just dive straight into the offer, what they are offering. Now, they are offering empowering work culture. Immerse yourself in a supportive, safe, and respectful work environment where every voice matters. Now, we all want to find an organization that has our best interest at heart, and this company is offering just that. Tailored career advancement. Leverage our comprehensive career development program, structured meticulously to fuel your professional growth. So if you are looking for a company that will support your professional growth, that will help you to move from the point where you join the company into a senior position and even into a managerial position, they have you covered as well. So additional offers include flexibility first, continuous learning, community and fun, celebrating you. Now, the eyes on this cake is the seamless relocation they are offering. For our international hires, we offer a comprehensive relocation package and visa sponsorship to ensure a smooth transition. So if they are saying they are offering a comprehensive relocation package, that means that they are offering you accommodation, they are offering you support with your flight, and as well offering you support with your visa sponsorship, meaning they are covering your visa cost. You understand? So this is really, really very good. Now, for you to know that there are so many positions that are open in this organization, let's go to Indeed Portugal, and you will see the varieties of current positions that are open in this company. Because for you to be able to access their website completely and see open position, you must register with them. Now, I might not be able to do that because I am not a tech talent, so I am not looking for position in the tech industry, so I don't want to go and open an account with them. So this is Indeed Portugal, and I've already refined the search for visa sponsorship jobs, and these ones are jobs that were posted 14 days ago. Okay, jobs that were posted from 14 days ago. I want us to be able to view current jobs on this platform. Now, I did not search for IT related jobs, but what we are seeing here are specifically IT jobs. So these are most likely the jobs that are selling in Portugal that come with visa sponsorship. So you can see technical support, KWAN, Java web developer, Yellowipe. Yellowipe is the second company I said we are going to look at, so we'll get there. Support agent, KWAN, network support engineer, KWAN, full stack developer, KWAN, project manager, KWAN. This one is for somebody that speaks French. Remember, they have different clients, and their clients might have different requirements. Ruby on Rails developer, KWAN, Kotlin developer, excuse me, KWAN, project manager, KWAN. So you can see all of these jobs are coming from this company. So it is not a question of do they have vacancies available. There are lots of vacancies. Now, if we want to search back into maybe 3 weeks ago or 4 weeks ago, you probably see more jobs that are available from this company. So this is why I am focusing majorly on this company, and of course Yellowipe. Alright, so yeah, that is it. So let's check on the next company. There's really nothing much to see there, but let's open one of their adverts placement here and see Yellowipe, Java web developer. Okay, so this is their full job description here. Okay, now you can see location requirements: remote, living in Portugal or with intention to relocate to Portugal, and they are offering visa sponsorship. Do you understand? So for you to be able to apply, you have to go to their website. So this means that jobs on this website or from this company either requires you to be living in Portugal, or that you locate from where you are to join them in Portugal, and they are going to cover your visa costs. So let's go to their website and see. Now, so I clicked on going to their website, but it took me back to IT Jobs. So you see what I said earlier on at the beginning, that IT Jobs has job listings for people who want to relocate to Portugal, as well as for other parts of the world across the globe. So they have job placement on this website with visa sponsorship across the globe. So if you are into tech, you are into IT or information technology, you want to come to this IT job website and create an account and build a profile with them, so that you can be able to access the jobs that are on this website. Because for you to be able to send in an application or contact a recruiter that is advertising, you must be a registered member of this website. So you have to create an account with them. Now let me see if you can view other jobs that are available on this website. Let's see jobs. Okay, so these are the jobs that are available on this website: data engineer, project manager, senior machine learning, Java developer, data scientist, backup manager. So you can see they are all IT related, IT and tech related. So you want to come and open an account, a profile with this website or on this website. I will leave description and links for all of the companies and websites that we have mentioned here in the description box. So you check the description box for that. Now additionally, I have made a video that would give you more information on the visa requirements for seasonal work, for skilled job, for job seekers who want to go into Portugal. So this particular video is just on the company that is recruiting and how to find them. The next video is for for us to go into detail about the visa requirements, to be able to get into Portugal. So I will leave the link to the next video in the description box, and you can also see it on the screen, and click on it. It will take you to the video for you to be able to know what their visa requirements are and get them ready. You understand? So while you are searching for jobs and applying for jobs on this website that we have listed, you are also getting your documents ready to be able to apply. You understand? So yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope that you can like this video, comment on it if you have any question. I will answer, and of course, please share with your friends, share on your social media pages with your friends. Okay, thank you very much. See you.